Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should begin with access and identity verified. Once logged into Scopus, enter the author name or ORCID in author search. This first step narrows candidates immediately. Make sure to check affiliation, publication years, and name variants as you scan results, because correct matching prevents inflated or missing H-index values. After selecting the likely profile, click Author Details to surface the H-index and citation overview. You're now positioned to refine and validate the metric, rather than guessing from a generic search. Next, refine the profile to ensure accuracy. Use affiliation filters and year ranges to exclude homonyms, then scan the publication list for duplicates or missing items. You should inspect citation counts per paper in the citation overview because H-index depends on ordered citation thresholds. If needed, export the author's publication list or citation data to CSV so you can sort and verify counts offline. Once done, adjust filters and confirm that the displayed H-index matches your manual check for consistency and completeness. To finish, verify the H-index by exporting the author metrics and keeping a local copy. This makes audits easy. Then synchronize with ORCID and add or claim missing publications to reflect the correct corpus. If you spot discrepancies, use the Scopus author feedback or profile correction workflow to request merges or add items. This fixes common causes of undercounted H-index scores. Troubleshooting tip: if publications are missing or split across profiles, submit the Scopus correction form. Response times vary, but this resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.